Plant FAQs, Begonia Hiemalis. My journey with Hiemalis begonia. As a passionate gardener, I am always on the lookout for plants that bring vibrant colors and unique textures to my garden. One of my favorite discoveries has been the Begonia Hiemalis. This plant, with its lush foliage and striking blooms, has quickly become a staple in my collection. In this article, I'll share my experiences and insights on how to care for, propagate, and revive these beautiful begonias. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Hiemalis? The Hiemalis begonia, also known as Begonia times Hiemalis, is a hybrid begonia known for its stunning flowers and robust foliage. These plants are a cross between tuberous begonias and wax begonias, which gives them a unique combination of traits from both parent species. The result is a begonia that blooms profusely and has a longer flowering period, making it a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor gardening. How to care for Hiemalis begonias. Caring for Hiemalis begonias is relatively straightforward, but there are a few key points to keep in mind to ensure they thrive. Light. Hiemalis begonias prefer bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch their leaves, while too little light can hinder blooming. A spot with filtered sunlight or partial shade is ideal. Watering. These begonias like their soil to be consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water them when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure your pot has good drainage. Humidity. Hiemalis begonias thrive in humid environments. If you're growing them indoors, consider using a humidity tray or a humidifier, especially during dry winter months. Temperature. They prefer temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Protect them from drafts and sudden temperature changes. Fertilizing. Feed your begonias with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season. Reduce feeding in the winter when the plant's growth slows down. Does Hiemalis begonia have a tuber? No, Hiemalis begonias do not have tubers. Unlike tuberous begonias, which store nutrients in their tubers, Hiemalis begonias have fibrous root systems. This means that while they do not undergo a dormant tuber phase, they still require consistent care throughout the year. How to care for dying Hiemalis begonia. Seeing a beloved plant struggle can be disheartening, but there are steps you can take to revive a dying Hiemalis begonia. Assess the environment. Ensure the plant is receiving the right amount of light and is not exposed to extreme temperatures or drafts. Check the watering routine. Overwatering or underwatering are common issues. Make sure the soil is moist but well drained. Inspect for pests. Look for signs of pests such as aphids, spider mites, or whiteflies. Treat any infestations promptly with appropriate insecticides or natural remedies. Prune and repot. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves to encourage new growth. If the plant is root-bound, consider repotting it in fresh soil. How to create another Hiemalis begonia. Propagating Hiemalis begonias is a rewarding process that allows you to create new plants from your existing ones. Here's how you can do it. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a small portion of the stem attached. Place the cutting in a pot with moist soil and cover it with a plastic bag to maintain humidity. Keep it in a warm, bright spot out of direct sunlight. Stem cuttings. Cut a healthy stem with a few leaves attached. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant it in a pot with moist, well-draining soil. Cover it with plastic to create a mini greenhouse effect. Division. If your begonia has grown large, you can divide it. Gently remove the plant from its pot and separate the root ball into smaller sections, each with its own stems and roots. Replant each section in its own pot. Is the Hiemalis begonia a dragon or Rieger kind? The Hiemalis begonia is commonly referred to as a Rieger begonia. This name comes from Otto Rieger, a German hybridizer who popularized these plants in the mid-20th century. The term dragon is often associated with another type of begonia, the dragon-wing begonia, which is a different hybrid altogether. So, when you're talking about Hiemalis begonias, you're referring to the Rieger variety, known for their beautiful and abundant blooms. Final thoughts. Hiemalis begonias have brought so much joy and color to my gardening experience. Their vibrant flowers and relatively easy care make them an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. By following the care tips and propagation methods I've shared, You can enjoy these stunning plants in your own garden and even share them with friends and family. Happy gardening!